Offers are turning into deals. Check it out. I can't believe this weather. The ceiling here will come down. Quit your job in 12 months. You can't count on that every month for feeding your family. I feel like we're cops going in a cop show here. This is what they do. You've got to work. Okay guys, we are here at the house on Palo Verde. We're about ready to meet the contractor, Richard, and I can't believe this weather. It's like raining and it's 45, 50 degrees. I don't know what's happening, but we're out here anyways. We're gonna walk the house. We purchased this one from another investor, and we purchased it for around $145,000. We believe it's worth anywhere from $230,000 up to $245,000. So it looks to be like a pretty easy remodel. They left a lot of stuff, which is typical. So we're gonna walk in here right now. We're gonna meet Richard, and then we're gonna kind of show him our game plan of what we want to do. The key here is we're gonna try to make things sound easy. We're not gonna overwhelm him, and we're just gonna be in and out, show him what we want, and then move on. Okay guys, we're here at the house. This is Richard. He's going to be the contractor that's going to be bidding this job for us. Richard and I have done 3 or 4 projects together, 5 maybe, yeah, 5, 6. So we've been working together for what, a year and a half?
Year and a half.
Year and a half, okay.
2 years.
Cool, cool. So we're gonna go inside and we're just gonna walk through. He kind of knows what we like, but we're gonna talk about the general layout. And sometimes we change kind of what we're gonna do after the demo's done. It kind of, once things are opened up and cleaned off and cleared away, you get a different vision. So this house may be a little bit different because there's not much demo that's going to be done, just a lot of cleanup, which you'll see. So we'll go in there, we'll check it out, and we'll walk through the house. Come on through. Looks like on this house, for some reason, they did some partial remodeling, and then they started to do some add-ons. If you look at the door behind you, for some reason, there's a nice brand new door, which will help us, and we'll tie in some of the stuff that hopefully we can save, and some of it we won't. So, and when you come in here, you can see they converted the back portion of the carport. This is the living area. It's got a fireplace in here, which we'll walk through. But this is the kitchen, so this is the main part. Richard, I think in here, we'll probably just get rid of everything, start fresh. So get all the cabinets out of here, and then get new cabinets, granite, the whole new stuff. We can probably keep the layout somewhat the same. Okay. What do you think we should do here with this window? Now that's part of the carport, do you think we should
close it off? Close that
off, and then we can keep that room a little...
We could close it off, and we can make that like another office little room coming in from
this bedroom. Okay. I like that. I agree. We won't have to do much stuff with the soffits or the ductwork. You can see it's already fine. The ceilings are high, like the last house we went to, so I think we'll be fine there. But here's one of the rooms that they added on. And it's kind of dark in here, but you can see that they started the drywall. They didn't texture or do anything, but it's got a nice fireplace that we can just finish drywalling up and painting. The windows are new, and like Richard said, I think we just keep this room back here. It could just be a little extra room off this. Again, looks like another new doors here, which is strange, but we'll take it. I don't think we should do anything with the drop down in here, do you? With the filling in the concrete at all, just keep it the way? Okay, I agree. And then there's a closet for this room. So we have an extra room, which is also gonna add on to our square footage. And here's the living room. Again, you know, people leave stuff. We've seen a lot worse. This isn't that bad. It's just a lot of big furniture in here, which is easy to get out. So Richard, again, will scrape the popcorn. We'll do our normal baseboards, outlets, switches, cover plates,
new texture,
blinds, texture, and then probably we'll do some new 6-panel doors. We can probably keep that front door. What do you think about that?
The front door's in good condition.
Okay, I agree.
Maybe change out The doors.
The doorknobs.
Oh, doorknobs. Sure.
Yeah, I'm talking about we should probably get new 6-panel doors, right?
6-panel doors throughout the house.
Yeah.
All the bedrooms.
Because I don't think there's many, and then they've already replaced some of them, so we'll just use the newer ones. I don't know if we better match up those doors or.
These ones are not a common door.
I'm talking about the new one that they have in that bedroom. Those, what are those, 8 panels?
8-panel doors. Yeah, we can match those ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. I mean, the fan obviously is nice, but we're probably gonna have to do all new fans.
All new ceiling fans.
Yeah. We've tried to save fans, but it's more of a hassle because the guy's got to take them down and match them up, and we like things to flow and match evenly. So here is the bathroom. This is not working well. Richard, you get in there and take a look. On some of our bathrooms, we found a guy that can refinish and paint the tiles, so if they're in decent condition, we've been keeping them, and we'll paint that white or gray to match the flow of the house. Richard, how's the tub?
The tub is it's in good condition, just this little plastic will pop off. There's no damages, no nips.
Can the drain stopper, can you replace that piece, or?
This will be new, and all your handles will be new.
Perfect.
Shower head new, and just resurface the tub white with the tile.
Perfect. So Richard, what do you estimate that saves us in a project? $1,000, $1,500?
$1,500.
Okay, so that's a huge savings for us. We can keep that. We're going to do all new flooring in here, new toilets. This vanity door is pretty crappy, so we'll just do a whole new vanity. Probably get rid of this, maybe do one can and a light on the wall. Actually, this light's not bad. Maybe just move that up to normal.
Put it up there a little bit more. Maybe add one can here above the shower.
There you go.
And then keep this for over this little space here.
Love it. Love it. Okay.
Doors.
So we didn't talk about the flooring, so we'll do all tile here, tile down the hallway, and carpet in the bedrooms only.
Yes.
Okay.
Kitchen.
So it's a nice open spot. People like open spaces. This is gonna be a nice little house, and we may, we may even mess around and change it a little bit. Maybe do maybe a little peninsula here. We'll just see when we get the demo done and what Richard thinks is nice. It's a pretty big kitchen as it is. The living room's big, so we won't mess with this that much at all. And then keep the dining room somewhere around here.
Here still.
It looks like it's off-centered, so we may have to put it probably
right over here. Put it right here in the middle of the room.
Let's go look at the bedrooms. It's a little dark in here. This is the master. I feel like we're cops going in a cop show here. We got a bathroom. It's pretty small for a master, but as you can see, the shower and the tile is actually pretty good. Again, we're going to do everything the same as we did at the other bathroom. We'll be able to save some money here. That shower, Richard, how's it look inside there? Paint it, save it?
Paint it, save it.
Okay.
Doors, toilets, vanities, they're new. Lights in a good position.
Maybe one can above the shower again?
We'll add a can light here with a double switch off of here.
And do we need to drop a ductwork in here? There's no ductwork in there.
There's duct right
Oh, there is?
Yes.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
Master room, scrape the ceilings.
It's decent size master. Windows are new, which I love. It's a big saving and a hassle. So let's go to the next bedrooms. There's not much to see in bedrooms unless there's something funky, but this is a pretty big bedroom. He'll be doing the same thing, scraping the ceilings. Okay. I hate to throw all these fans away because we may actually be able to keep some of these fans. Let's check out the other one in the kids' room. If they're in decent shape, we may be able to keep the kids' ceiling fans in the kids' rooms. Man, we have a light. Okay, let's go check out this one here. This one looks pretty new too, Richard. So we may be able to keep the kids. What do you think?
Keep them matching. We'll
just keep them.
3 of the rooms because they're all white. They all match together. So new flooring.
Yep. That's a nice little
new windows are already here.
Jewelry box. You always get to find neat stuff in houses. So, which you buy it, it's yours. You get to keep it. So here, Richard, just paint.
Paint white.
Maybe.
Inside too. Yep.
Do we need any knobs, or probably not because they're hallways? They'll catch your shirt when you're walking by or something. Yeah,
we'll just paint the inside and outside and just keep the knobs off.
Let's take a peek outside. Here's the backyard. It's got a decent hot water tank there, so we shouldn't have to mess with that, but Richard will look at the age and stuff once we get into it. Probably get rid of this fan here and just do a normal light.
Outside the patio, yes.
And we got a salt system here. And then this house actually has solar, which I did not know when we purchased the house. So we have a solar system on the roof.
New panel box.
Brand new electrical panel. That's awesome. That's gonna save a couple grand there. And they actually did the conduit pretty, I bet you they replaced that when they got solar.
Yeah.
That's probably what they did. We can take a quick peek back here even though it's raining. You can see it's a nice pool. Is there a way possibly to paint this ledge stone? Because that's ugly. Maybe paint it white?
Yeah, we'll paint it white, we'll primer it.
And keep the planter?
Like a flat white.
Yeah.
Match with the contrast of the house when we paint the house.
Okay, and then maybe I can have the landscaper put a drip tube in here and get some nice flowers in there outlining the pool. Mm-hmm. But you can see this is a nice big lot. There's the solar system. Roof's in decent condition and the AC seems to be in good condition, so that's going to save us a good 10 to 12 grand there. A little workshop area, side yard. Folks love large yards. They got the RV gate. They can bring their tools or whatever they want in your cars to work on. So this is a nice little shop area. And Richard will probably just paint all the same colors. The roof's gray, so we can stick to what we've been doing, the white, the dark trim, the blue door, and just call it a day.
Sounds good.
Okay.